Don't get me wrong, I love summer in Melbourne just as much as the next person, but the heat that we have in Australia is so dry, so my head desperately needed some tender, loving care. So when Ikigai Head Spa and Wellness reached out, I was like, say less. They're located on Glenferrie Road in Hawthorne, and they're currently offering 10% off all treatments. After a lovely facial massage and hydro jelly mask, we moved on to the deep scalp detox and head spa. The cascading waterfall plus the head scratches, neck and shoulder massages were so relaxing that I fell asleep again. And then after all your treatments are finished, they'll give you a cup of tea plus blow dry your hair, which I really appreciate. And look how silky it was. Oh, adore.